Hi everyone, I will be reading the last section of The Honeybee Has Taken Flight from the Cheerios Box to Sound a Bee Alert. This time, not only are we going to find the central idea, but we will find supporting details. Additionally, you're going to write a summary. So let's start reading. The title is Conservationists Are Concerned. I'm going to stop right there because I want to discuss conservationists. In case you did not know what conservationists are, they are people who advocate or help protect environment or wildlife. And the second part is that they are concerned or worried. So it gets me thinking that maybe these people kind of have a stronger mind on trying to protect wildlife and animals. And since we're talking about bees, I kind of make an inference that they're going to be talking about how they're concerned that the bees are not being helped like they should. So let's continue and find out. One pollinator that is in more immediate danger is the rusty patch bumblebee. It was scheduled to become the first bee in the continental United States to officially join the endangered species list. In case you didn't know, when an animal makes the list, that means that they receive federal or extra protection from federal agencies. So when an animal becomes in that list, it helps the animals because it protects them so that they don't become endangered. But a freeze put in place by President Donald Trump's administration delayed the listing of the insect, which means that they were not placed in the endangered species list. That brought a lawsuit from the environmental group, the Natural Resources Defense Council. Trump's pro-business and anti-rule positions have concerned many conservationists. The positions have also prompted some companies to step up their environmental policies. This was reflected in a letter signed by 365 U.S. companies and investors who pledged their support for action against climate change after the election in November. But some have doubts about companies taking the reins on environmental work. One skeptic is Michelle Mouton, a professor of English at Cornell College who holds writing courses on food and sustainability. Education is fine, but the result must be public pressure on corporations to do more than create publicity campaigns, Mouton says. So this is what I'm thinking about right now. So we learn about these conservationists that realize that a lot of these help that the bees are getting, or any animal that's in danger, is just for publicity, which means that it kind of benefits them in some kind of way. So she, wants other things to happen. So she wants to give more pressure on these corporations to do more than just public campaigns. She also is a leader of the Bee City Committee in Mount Vernon, Iowa. Now, companies have the best chance of bringing the right kind of change, she says. And we already know this because we discussed how these big companies have so many resources. They have the funds, they have, so many things that they can do, from commercial and ads, and they are known publicly around the world, so they can do the change. Many, however, see their business cost as not fitting with those changes, Newton says. So even though they have all these resources and all these outlets that they can use to help these bees or other endangered animals, they refuse to do it because it does cost money. So they don't want it to hurt their business. All right, so that is it for this section. Think about what we just read right now. And we are going to first determine the central idea and then find details to support it.